Hello everyone, I'm Stéphane Tivierge, President and co-founder of GKM Consultants. In 2022, GKM was acquired by Keller and joined the global team. As the next step, GKM is rebranding to GEO-Instruments on September 2nd. By joining the GEO-Instrument brand, we offer more comprehensive solutions and leverage their global presence. Clients will continue to work with the same team, and our existing relationship will strengthen as we become a more valuable instrumentation partner. We are excited for you to join us on this journey.